Are you tired of RC cars that just can't drift the way you want? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, ACMMZAR 124 RC Drift Car. The ACMMZAR RC Drift Car is designed for both kids and adults, and honestly it caught my attention right away with its sleek design and LED lights. Priced at about $50, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to get into drifting without breaking the bank. If you want a fun, high-speed RC car that's easy to control, this is worth a serious look. What makes this car stand out is its 4WD system and full proportional throttle. This means you can perform precise drifting stunts like tail flips and spins with ease. The maximum speed of 20 km/h and a remote control distance of up to 50 meters gives you a good range to play around with. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries, allowing for up to 50 minutes of playtime. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You won't be left with a dead battery after just a few minutes of fun. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit small for outdoor racing. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something to use inside or on smooth surfaces, the 124 scale actually allows for better maneuverability in tight spaces. It's perfect for kids or beginners getting started with RC drifting. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an introductory drift car that's fun and easy to use. Skip this one if you plan on racing outdoors on rough terrains, as it might struggle a bit. Given the price and features, it's a solid value for anyone entering the hobby. Now, if the size of the ACMMZAR bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a larger scale and even more features. Product number 2, ACMMZAR 124 Black RC Drift Car. Next up is another ACMMZAR model, this time in black. It's also a 124 scale car, and honestly I love the look of it. Also priced at $50.35, it shares many features with the previous model, making it a reliable option for drifting enthusiasts. If you appreciate a sleek, stylish design while maintaining high performance, this one's worth checking out. Just like its counterpart, this car features a 4WD system, allowing for more stability and control while drifting. The full proportional throttle is a game changer, giving you precise speed control for those tricky maneuvers. The 20 km/h speed means you can really put it to the test in your living room or backyard. And yes, it comes with 2 batteries, giving you about 50 minutes of excitement. Here's why this matters: you can keep the fun going without worrying about constantly recharging. However, some users pointed out that it can sometimes be tricky to steer at high speeds. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting with drifting, the learning curve is part of the fun, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Plus, it's a great way to improve your skills. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish car that performs well and looks good doing it. Skip this one if you need a more rugged option for outdoor racing. Overall, it's priced fairly for the quality you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for advanced drifting maneuvers. Product number 3, Seikai 116 RC Drift Car. Now we're stepping it up with the Seikai 116 RC Drift Car. This one's a bit larger, priced at about $51.64, and I have to say the added size makes it feel more substantial in your hands. If you want a car that feels robust while delivering thrilling performance, this is definitely worth a look. The 4WD system on this model is designed for better handling and control. With a maximum speed of 18 km/h, it's built to withstand impact, so you won't have to worry too much about wear and tear. The included LED lights not only look cool but also add a nice touch when you're racing in low light. Plus, the dual rechargeable batteries give you nearly 40 minutes of racing fun, which is a huge plus for long play sessions. Here's why this matters for you: it means more time having fun and less time waiting for batteries to charge. One downside is that the spray feature can be a bit gimmicky for some users. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a car that delivers a bit of flair while drifting, that sprayer can make the experience more exciting. It adds that extra visual element that can impress friends. This is perfect for you if you want something more durable and with added features for a dynamic racing experience. Skip this if you prefer a simpler model without frills. Considering its build quality and features, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact, the next model may catch your eye. Product number 4, Destoni 124 RC Drift Car. Up next is the Destoni 124 RC Drift Car, which is priced at about $27.11. This one really surprised me with its affordability and features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance, this car is worth considering. The 4 GHz remote provides a stable connection, allowing multiple users to race without interference. Given how easy it is to operate, it's perfect for kids and newcomers to the hobby. The powerful battery allows for 20-30 minutes of playtime, so you can enjoy racing without constant interruptions. Here's why this matters for you. It's a great way to introduce someone to RC drifting without a hefty investment. However, I did notice some complaints about the construction feeling a bit flimsy for rough use. Here's the thing though, for indoor use or smooth surfaces, it performs just fine and is a great starter car. It's all about where you plan to use it. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable entry point into drifting. Skip this if you're looking for a durable car for outdoor racing. For its price, it's an excellent entry-level option. Now, if you're seeking a more advanced model, this next car might just impress you. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of RC drift cars today. The ACAMMZAR and its black variant are great for beginners, while the Seikai offers added features and durability. The Destoni is an excellent budget pick, and the Kayazith provides premium features. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Seikai because its balance of size and features makes it ideal for both kids and adults. I'd recommend avoiding the Destoni if you're looking for something robust for outdoor use, as it's better for indoor racing. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.